My excuse is that I am busy with my children and cooking and cleaning, and I also get major anxiety. Thank you so much for sharing. Let's talk about this. First of all, she is responding to a post that I made on my page asking, what's holding you back from getting started with digital marketing and learning the skills to make money online? This was her response. Now, one of the things that I absolutely love about this program that I'm talking about that teaches people how to create online streams of income in their spare time is the fact that, well, we do everything in our spare time. We teach our members to follow a step-by-step 2-hour-a-day process that can be broken up throughout the day that can absolutely be done around kids and jobs and house chores and errands and all of these other life obligations that, they kind of sort of get in the way. And so we created this program to work with that because those are the types of people we're trying to help. So obviously we're going to account for that. Okay. So what you can do is you can break this up throughout the day. We have people inside of our community who definitely have children and also have a home that need to be maintained. And so they do their chores in the morning before people wake up. They do their chores while their kids are in school or while they're sitting in the school pickup line or what, they literally fit in the income generating activities into the nooks and crannies of their day, and they get it done. And that becomes worth it because this program teaches you how to get sales on digital products worth $900. And if they can just put in a little work here and there throughout the day and just randomly generate notifications like this, you do 4 of those a month, that's an extra $3,600 that they didn't have before. That is motivation enough for them, and so they show up and they do the things and they get the results. And some people do a heck of a lot better than that, but this is just an example. Now that's the first element. The second element, getting major anxiety. That is something else that we also addressed inside of this program because having the right mindset, having a healthy, positive mindset is the foundation for success in anything. Not just this program, but literally anything. It is the foundation for life. And so we actually address that quite heavily inside of our program. I talked about this a little bit more in a previous response that I did. If you haven't seen that, head back over to my channel and go check it out. Video's titled something about self-sabotage. But yeah, we frequently have like guest celebrity mindset coaches. For example, Laura St. John was recently here, and every time she shows up, it is massively transformative because we show people how to take the stinking thinking that they got. Stinking thinking is what our $1 million mentor calls it. Take that stinking thinking and turn it around and make your thoughts work for you so you can get the results that you want. Okay? Because the anxiety, we can't argue. It's literally all up here. It's literally all up here. And so if we can learn how to take those thoughts that are basically sabotaging us and turn them around and get them to work for us, we're literally unstoppable. Everything about the world, everything about our lives has everything to do with how we think about it. So we can actually help with that. So thank you so much for sharing. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to talk about that. If you would like to learn more about this program that helps people build an online income in their spare time, nooks and crannies of their day, and helps people overcome struggling mindset issues such as self-sabotage or anxiety, follow me so we can keep in touch, save this video for later, and then put yes in the chat. I would love to send the details over.